The 5D movement of New Earth consciousness is being made up of those individuals who have long been on a solo path of exploration. We're coming to a new perspective of love and light that's connected through our heart, which is our vibrational frequency of love and light. It's our connection to source energy. And the 5D movement are those who are vibrating in this space. They're labeled new humans, and they're creating a new earth, not a new planet, a new perception that we bring to this planet. And it's right there. It's right there for the knowing, right there behind your eyes. You've just got to focus it in. And you focus it in, not with understanding, but with feeling. It's a vibrational frequency of love and light. That core source energy is also known as God. Love and light is who you are. It's who we all are. It's the very life force that flows through each and every one of us and each and everything in this biological universe in which we are occupied. Are you at 5D yet? You're invited. The Spiritual Quest.